Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and like Katarina was in the last video, we're putting fairy crumbs in this video. So let's give the rest of the intro to them. Hi, I'm Fairy Crumbs, and I'm Fairy Crumbs. We hope you enjoyed the video about us, and if you haven't seen it already, go watch it. It should be somewhere over there on the side. And, well, let's just get started. Today we will be reviewing the Cutie Cars playset and Whizzy Soda, which comes with the playset, Happy Bee SUV, Chalk Cherry Wheels, and Rainbow Rider, which are in the Bumper Bakery pack of Cutie Cars. So, let's just get this started and show you guys the set. Hello, it's Fairy Crumbs Yellow and Fairy Crumbs Pink reporting on World's Biggest SBK Fan. Sis, should we call this a news channel? No, just stick with the YouTube channel. And we're here to show the new models of Cutie Cars. Stop making this like a news thing. Aww. Oh, by the way, World's Biggest SBK Fan went to go meet with some shoppies, and she gave us this little cute list so we know all their names, and you can see them too. We'll just put it back over here so Melanie Pips can hold it. And let's get going. I am going to start with Whizzy Soda. Actually, do you want to do it the first half? That'll be okay, sis. Okay, so I'll start off with, like I said, Whizzy Soda. Whizzy Soda is a soda-themed car, obviously, probably already known by her name. She's got a soda can, Shopkin to drive her, and she's got a blue top and straw that matches her Shopkin. And there's a lot of bubbles on this. Bubbles and bubbles and bubbles. I love the bubbles. And this is either a mouse or a bear. You can put in the comments if it's a mouse or a bear. As you can see, the SUVs have the same shape. So they're either mouses or bears too. And that's pretty much it for Whizzy Soda. Now I will go on and do Happy Bee SUV, Happy Bee SUV, Happy Bee SUV, Happy Bee SUV. So this is Happy Bee SUV, like I sang in my Happy Bee SUV song. And she's got pink filling, cool rainbow sprinkles that match her Shopkin, except hers are not rainbow, and white frosting. They've both got candles on top, and they're a nice chocolatey cake with, ooh, it looks pretty spongy. And on the front, we've got pink ears that match the filling, and a winky eye, and this one's sticking out her tongue. Not like this one's licking her lips. This one's full out sticking out her tongue. And now, me, the probably already known Pink Fairy Crumbs, will give you Chalk Cherry Wheels. Okay, so this is Chalk Cherry Wheels and Chalk Cherry Wheels Little Shopkin. This one's also a chocolate flavored. This one's a chocolate cupcake with cherry on top. It's also got the same sprinkles. When this one doesn't have, well, not the same. Different colors though. This one is most definitely a cat. And it's got pink little stripes, and I love them. It's also got blue wheels and rolls very well, just like the other two. And there, you can just pop it in on its white seat. This one has a dark pink seat. And this one has a blue seat. I like that shade of blue. And now we've got Rainbow Rider, and I love this one. It's got pink, yellow, and blue stripes. This one's got a light pink seat on the inside, like Happy Bee SUV's dark pink one. And it's got this cute little rainbow that's the exact same color as her stripes. This one's also either a bear or a mouse, like Happy Bee SUV and Wizzy Soda. And like I said earlier, you can put that in the comments. This one's got a white top and pink wheels. So that's pretty much it for her. And her Shopkin is pretty much the same, except it's got pink on the top and the same little rainbow and a white cake. More white cake than this one. So, let's do the drive-in! Okay, we're back on World's Biggest SPK Fan News. Stop calling it a news channel. Okay, sorry, Pink Fairy Crumbs. So, let's just continue with the drive-in. So you can see the drive-in better, let's have all the cutie cars and their cute little Shopkins on the inside drive away. Burr, 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 burr. Looks like they're in a traffic jam. Now let's get them on out of that traffic jam. So now that the drive-in is all cleared out. Oh, did I mention I'm back? So now that the drive-in is all cleared out, let's show it to you. Hey, but we wanted to do the drive-in. Okay, fine, I guess you can do it. Okay, so we'll do the drive-in, and we'll have quite a great time doing it. So, first, let's show them the elevator. That is used, actually, to take up the car. Maybe we shouldn't use ourselves. We should probably use Rainbow Rider. Looks like she came back for more food at the drive-in diner. Look, it tilts up so she can get off easily. And it's also got these indents so the car will stay on, and arrows marking which way they're supposed to go. Now let's get her all parked. On this side, it's basically got a bunch of arrows that we're going to use another car to follow. So you can go in this way or that way, and you go out that way. It's also got these green little bushes, which will be a common theme of decorations. And it's got these little trays, so if you want to have the little Shopkins eating outside, they can eat from there. And this set actually came with Wizzy soda, so let's have Happy Bee SUV taking her order here, and Chalk Cherry Wheels receiving her order there. And we can turn it around and we'll show you something. So look, for the windows they've got this big plastic panel that actually opens both the receiving food door and ordering food door. And look at this. Wizzy Soda is coming in to serve food to her friends at the drive-in. So look. Okay, would you like your meal? Thank you. And here comes Chalk Cherry Wheels. And okay, what would you like to order? I'd like to have French fries with a hamburger on the side. Bye, Chalk Cherry Wheels. Hope you enjoy. Bye. And she'll go right back down the arrow. And now, let's see what she does when the restaurant's closed and she's gonna go home. Whee! Look, it turns up and turns into a ramp. Wow, looks like her home must be very, very far away. So let's put that down and let's get ready for the story part, since we've basically showed you everything. It's breakfast time in Shopville. Everyone goes to the drive-in. Let's get everyone a parking spot. Elevator takes so long. Yeah, I agree with you, Rainbow Rider. I wish this thing took faster than it did, because then the wait wouldn't be as long. And we'd already be up there and parked. I agree with you completely, Chalk Cherry Wheels. I wonder who's operating the drive-in today. Doesn't look like anyone's there. I bet it's Wizzy Soda. She's always at the drive-in, especially during breakfast. But where's Wizzy? Oh, I bet Wizzy's in the kitchen. Wait, the elevator's going down. We need to get out of the cars. I know we're a little small for it. Just go in the wheel marks and you'll probably stay on. This elevator always gives me the creeps. I always feel like I'm going to fall off. It's okay to be afraid, Happy Bee SUV. Okay, we're here. Let's go and see if there's anyone in the window. Looks like nobody. Meanwhile. Good morning. I overslept. All the cars are already here. I need to get out their food for them. I'll just leave my car in the kitchen. I hope everything's already made. Good. I stayed up so late last night, I overslept. I'll just get my car down there and be ready to take orders. What would you like, Happy V SUV? I'd like the chocolate chip pancakes and the chocolate smoothie. Okay, that'll be right up. Your order number is order number 1. Okay, I got my tray. May I please have the breakfast sponge cake and the, I was thinking about yogurt. What flavors of yogurt do you currently have? Strawberry, banana, and strawberry banana. I'll have strawberry banana. I would like the cherry smoothie and the, do you still have the cherry pancakes? Yes, we'll be serving them till, winter. Go get your tray. Okay, now that I got all the orders down, I need to put it on their trays. Order number 1? Yes. Order number 2? Yes. Order number 3? Yes. Whew, all the orders are done. Now I'll just close the window and wait till lunchtime. Yum. Ooh, yummy. Now let's go back up the elevator so we can go home. Yeah, sure. Okay, World's Biggest SBK fan had to go to another meeting. Should we tell her what all these meetings are about? No, don't tell them. We'll spoil the big I said too much. Well, maybe next video there's going to be a big surprise. Hey, you're spoiling it again. So, she's at another meeting, and thank you for watching our video. Go and check out her website. It's got a photo gallery. You can look at more videos and vote for the next video. And make sure to subscribe and like. We'll leave the link for it below. And now it's time for the big review of last week's Hide the Shop again. For all of you that guessed the grill, you won! It was the grill. We hid the grill in the oven, like most of you who thought it was a grill noticed. So, let's get on to the options for next week's Guess the Shotgun. Were you watching at the end of the video? What shotgun was hiding in the drive-thru? Was it the music box, the lasagna, or the fluffy diaper? Leave in the comments which one you like, and next week's video will reveal the answer.